So this officer is just telling us that the
So we have an event today to 8 p.m.
Okay.
We put in anti-theft screws for your license plates, and also we paint or etch the bottom of your catalytic converter, so it's a deterrent to being stolen.
Can you guys trace it then, or is this a deterrent?
So they will actually take your license plate number, your VIN number, and it can be traced directly.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, David, let's do it since we are driving in David's car. We're by Hmong Village, and this officer just flagged us. But let's do this.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and so we're at Hmong Village, and there's been a string of catalytic converter robberies here, and the St. Paul Police Department's been kind enough to do this. So we're definitely gonna take advantage of it. My car, I work here, but I don't think they're gonna steal my car. My car's a 2006 car. And I don't think the catalytic converters do great, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so David's car is what we're not...
2020 BMW M340i X-Drive. And the Cadillac with this car gets stolen a lot in California.
Yeah, so David's driving a BMW M5, what is it called?
M340i.
M340i hybrid.
Mild hybrid system.
Mild hybrid system, inline 6, twin scroll turbo. So this car is definitely something the officer said that this catalytic converter's got to cost like what, $5,000 or something?
Well, yeah, it's pretty expensive catalytic converter.
And so what we're doing is we're just going to go out for dinner, but then we saw the officers stop by, and we're going to just do it, and like they're going to put more screws in his in there, and they're going to scratch the converter, and then they're going to match it up to the VIN number so that somebody, they can trace it back that way. So at least we have a record of things going on here. But okay.
Yeah, officers.
Yeah, officers, I hope you don't mind. We're just recording the process because we're going to put it up so other people can know about it.
Oh,
okay, yeah. So
so it might, next week's is at McDonough's. McDonough's on Tuesday, because right now we close in an hour.
Okay.
In 55 minutes.
Where can we find more information about when you're doing this? Is it on the St. Paul Police Department website, or?
So the people to ask that would know those questions are those two ladies right there.
Okay.
And because we're just the VIN etchers.
Okay.
So,
okay. We'll ask, but yeah, thank you.
Do you want your car VIN etched? Or
yes, David should. David should with this one. Okay.
So you know what this does, the VIN etching, or the purpose of it?
So that you guys can track the catalytic converter if it gets stolen?
So the car has a VIN in however many different spots along the car.
Okay.
It's a standard spot for all cars. But an auto thief, if they're going to try and take parts off the car, they might scratch out those VINs.
Okay.
So by having it on the window, it's one more spot that maybe they won't fit to.
Okay, all right.
I think
she enters the VIN.
I enter your VIN number.
Okay.
It prints out there.
All right.
And then I put it, etches onto the window with acid.
Oh, okay, all right.
Normally it doesn't hurt the car.
And then you can take it off when you get home.
Oh, okay, all right.
I think this is a pretty smart security turn, because I work at the village here, but my car is not anything like this. I'm not. So my car, I've been parking here, but the security officer here is my cousin. He says that your car is so old, your catalytic converter is so not a prime target.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, and so, but we've had like a lot of like the Tundras, any F-150s or whatever, the big trucks, and the hybrid cars. Yeah, we had some Priuses that were stolen, and I couldn't believe they risked going underneath that thing. But they're like in and out so quick. It's kind of crazy.
You just kind of wish those people would get real day jobs and not steal from other people.
Because I'm busting my butt 10 hours a day just to get by.
We all do, right? And,
so
we all do.
Yeah,
most of us.
Yeah, it's kind of a, it's kind of a shame, because I know that in the community we don't know who it is, but there's some people have said that the people doing this to the Hmong community are the younger Hmong. Some of them that they know where somebody's working, or they come in and they know that, okay, in this area we get this kind of car and that kind of car.
That is correct.
Yeah, so it's kind of sad that way, but and I know that my cousin, the security officer, he actually saw some footage on the cameras, and he tracked that down to one of the vendor's sons.
Oh, wow.
And so that's something where they're letting the management make what you guys would take care of.
It's you know, all we need to do is make good choices in life, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Right, and support each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One
So-
bad choice goes, you know, it's like a slippery slope for a lot of these kids, and the parents are not. Their parents have got to be there too.
Yep, I agree.
Yeah.
It's you have to raise them right.
Okay.
All right.
Well.
So go right up there, and they'll tell you where to find it on the website.
Okay. Thank you, folks. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
So yeah, if we go over here, and then we'll get them on the website, and must sign to waiver work. Okay.
Pull down a little bit further.
So what? They're over there. Oh, down there.
Yeah, tongue or finger stop.
Up the floor.
Okay. Okay. We're filming this to put up on YouTube and on Facebook so people know about what you guys are doing. Yeah. So.
We're here until 7:45,
Uh huh.
and we are making sure that people that are in the community that they come and shop in the Hmong village.
We've had a lot of
Wow.
thefts here. I'm one of the vendors here. We
Perfect.
definitely have had a lot of thefts. So yeah, I know this is a really good idea. The other officer said that where can people find your schedule of where and when you're doing this?
Follow us on Facebook. You can follow
Okay.
the city of St. Paul, the St. Paul Police Department.
Okay.
Or you can also follow the St. Paul, the Community Partnerships Unit
Community Partnerships Unit.
from the St. Paul Police Department.
Okay. Then I'll post this up, and then so hopefully people can see it. You know.
And then the next one will be next week, and it will be in a different neighborhood.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
people are welcome to come and get it done. So
Okay.
we do a lot of this in locally where the customers, the residents are.
Okay. And so this is just, we're not going to show David's, but it looks like to get the work done, there's a liability release and waiver and license plate attachment to vehicle. And so that's why I'm just reading. I'm sure if you guys come in, you can read it before anything gets done. But I think it's a really good idea.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
free. And we don't keep track of any information. Some people are afraid that we might be tracking them or anything. We don't keep track of anything. That is just information. So if you get the edge, something happens to your car, at least you know that we documented it.
Okay.
But it's not like we're tracking anything. No, it's
But
your
the
information.
documentations with the department, right?
Correct. It's
Okay.
to make sure that if your car gets stolen and you had edgy, then we can go back to it and make sure that
Track
it's
it down and
correct.
figure out. Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Where's it gonna get etched down there?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
Go all the way and then
All right. Thank you.
Paint it and then we'll do the screws.
Okay, so they're gonna put screws and then they're going to etch it. So this looks like this guy's gonna etch it. Okay, David. So, hey guys, we're just recording this so we can post it up for the community. Yeah. So,
Well, I don't have my license plates yet because they're coming from.
Oh, no license plate yet.
yeah, but the officer said that just to get his VIN number and such like that.
Yeah, they got
Yeah.
that on there.
Yeah.
You
So
guys will give me the screws still.
Oh, yeah. Need
Yeah.
a couple screws.
so the screws are there just to stop them from ripping it out easier, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me have a couple screws on here.
Okay. But yeah, I think that maybe for some reason I didn't hear. I saw the posting on the doors of Hmong Village. So there are flyers, David.
Okay.
That they had flyers there, and then they had a QR code, but I didn't know it was for this. And so I mean, I think it's worth it. They're here till 8, and it's about 7:38. So if anything. This
That's
is-
estimated time to get there. But,
Okay, okay.
7:19 right now.
Yeah, 7:19. But at least with this.
Where you get the right tip, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Oh.
Oh, so this is something that.
These are some special locks.
Oh, then we're good to go.
Good to go.
All right,
Yeah,
thank you
thank
guys.
you.
Yeah. So these are the special screws to put into your to mount into there.
Yep.
Catalytic converter. Let me take a look, David. So they are. Yeah.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
guys.
You guys have a good
Yep.
one.
Thank you. So they we're exiting out. Oh yeah, David. Let's go with that. But yeah, it's here's what it looks like. It's a hex screw. Man, you gotta have the right one for this, but it's pretty beefy. Is it aluminum? Well, it's not aluminum. It's stainless.
Stainless steel.
It's stainless. It's stainless steel. So, yeah. So you guys, we'll post this up on YouTube and Facebook, and we'll hopefully, if you guys see this video, share it so that this catalytic converter theft can be kind of stopped. And this is we're here by Hmong Village, and we've been having a lot of things here, and I'm a vendor here, and David is got his really like that Tundra. Those cars have been really targeted,
They
but
have the most durable
Yeah.
Catalytic converters.
well, I mean, I think isn't it like they have they have the most the biggest ones or more complex ones with the most precious minerals,
Yep.
like precious. Oh no, I'm sorry. Rare earth chemicals or minerals, right, David?
Yeah.
Yeah, stuff like rare ass crap that it's so hard to refine that that's just how it is. So yeah, so David and I will post this up and hopefully it gets passed around. But thanks for watching, guys.